Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can train your mind to be happy. So first of all, we need to understand how the mind works. So how does the mind work? So the mind is split into two parts. We have the conscious part of the mind and we have the subconscious part of the mind. The conscious part of our mind is made up of our thoughts and our ideas. It's subjective. We choose to think what we want to think. And our subconscious part of the mind is a program. We are programming our subconscious mind all the time. By the time we're 35 years old, 95% of our day is autopilot. Things like tying a shoelace or driving a car. Have you ever had it when you think you've locked the front door but you're not sure? Well, it's because you did it on autopilot. You weren't aware of doing it. You can try and remember. If you do remember, it's possibly because you're building a picture in your mind and creating a picture of yourself locking the front door. You did it subconsciously without your conscious mind even having any idea what you were doing. Neuroscience shows us that when nerve cells fire together, they wire together, and these form habits. So when we're doing the same thing over and over and over and over again, our nerve cells actually wire together as a result. Every day we're thinking the same thoughts, feeling the same feelings, acting in the same way. We're thinking, feeling and acting in the same way, and that is our state of being. How do we change our subconscious mind when it's being programmed to do the same thing again and again and again and again? So there are two ways that we can change our subconscious mind. One way is through the law of repetition, which I talk about in my video on changing your self-image. If you haven't seen it, then please click on the link here and hopefully you'll find that really helpful. The second way that we can change our subconscious mind is through auto-hypnosis. It's basically when you're hypnotizing yourself. So this would be just as you're going to sleep at night. What you want to do is you want to record affirmations of how you want to see yourself. If you're not happy and you want to be happy, you want to record some affirmations saying, I am happy, I am happy, I am happy. Don't record an affirmation saying, I want to be happy, I want to be happy, I want to be happy, because your subconscious will hear you are not happy. There are lots of affirmation audios out there that you can listen to, but I find the best way of doing it is through doing it yourself with your own voice, because research has shown that our subconscious is more likely to trust our own voice. And secondly, you can tailor it to the person you really want to become. So what I do is any negative emotions or habits that I have in my life, I will record the opposite. So if I'm feeling a lack of confidence, then I will record I am confident. The moment your subconscious mind receives that impression, then it can start acting and it will start changing your habits. But the only way that we can change is by ignoring our environment and making the change from within. The subconscious mind then goes out and creates what it is that's been impressed on your subconscious mind. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and comment below. Share your experience, how this has worked for you and in your life, just to show and encourage people that it does work.